Hello, especially to RFIC. My name is Jerengito. This slide is all about the LGU Madrid ecosystem with rationalized planning indicator and datasets focusing with the A&R sector with at least 5 relevant indicators. Here are the 5 listed relevant indicators in the LGU Madrid, and I decided to break it down one by one. Number 1 indicator is the loss of forest cover or rate of deforestation. The planning area applies to the forest land. Core concern, protection of the forest ecosystem, resource base and land use is what is being measured here. The presence of mining companies causing the large area of timberland deforested. With the use of GIS and drone survey, the area of deforested is being outlined. This activity was not allowed by the LGU Madrid but sad to say, nearby municipalities approved and exceeding across the municipal boundary causing large areas deforested. Number 2 indicator is the land use changes, hectares per year, and the kind of planning area applies to all. Core concern element descriptor / development anchor is lowland or agricultural ecosystem. What is being measured? It is the land use and land productivity. Reclassification of land from agricultural to residential or commercial land use will be monitored using GIS to account and monitor the 10% of actual land use. Okay, number 3 indicator is the areas affected by hazards per hectare per hazards. This kind of plan applies to all. DRR management is the core concern, and what is being measured is the vulnerability of all sectors. Areas of highly vulnerable from different hazards. Example here is the lifeline utilities, susceptible to plant and soil erosion. The tools used is GIS and the physical survey. Number 4 indicator is the marine protected areas per percent of total area of municipal waters, and it applies to coastal planning area. The core concern in this coastal marine ecosystem, resource base is what is being measured. Municipal water boundaries has been surveyed and with the use of portable ultrasonic water depth sensor led to us by DNR BFAR measures the underwater contour, the identification of coral reef areas, fish sanctuaries, and water test was also conducted for coastal protection and ecosystem tourism purposes. The last indicator is all about the general condition of freshwater bodies. The kind of planning areas applies to freshwater, like watershed or sub-watersheds. The environmental condition is the core concern, and the quality of the major freshwater bodies is being measured. Physical quality of water is monitored for possible contamination from different elements used by miners and other fecal form from unregulated fish ponds and piggeries sewer line. The DNR BPAR initiated with the use of Horiba, a tool used to measure water quality. References: DILG Local Planning Illustrative Guide, Preparing and Updating a Comprehensive Development Plan, LGU Madrid Comprehensive Development Plan, LGU Madrid Forest Land Use Plan 2017 to 2027, LGU Madrid Climate and Disaster Risk Assessment Draft 2025, LGU Madrid Municipal Planning and Development Office. Thank you.